another case, and also you're here and you reek of weed so bad, you must have just stopped smoking right now.
I'm gonna get high just from you standing there. High stakes charges in a drug-free zone. Things are getting serious.
As far as possession of marijuana, it's elevated to a Class A misdemeanor because it's in a drug-free zone. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews in the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer, a lawyer will be appointed to represent you. Does he reek of weed right now?
Yes, he does.
You reek so bad, I think I'm going to get high just from you standing in front of me. Okay, please.
Yes, Your Honor, on
My God.
44 officer at Teeny's Food Mart in Harris County, Texas, saw a defendant making hand-to-hand transactions with an unidentified male. Officer believed
He tried to flee from a canine? Bad move, Wheeler.
observed officer and placed a clear plastic bag that contained a green leafy substance inside the front of his boxers. Wheeler turned around and attempted to flee the scene. Wheeler was advised a dog would be deployed and stopped when he heard the dog barking. Wheeler was detained without incident. The green leafy substance was retrieved from Wheeler's person. The green leafy substance weighed at 0.5 ounces. Teeny's Food Mart is in a drug-free zone.
No more outbursts and be removed from the court.
5 days later, and he's back. Bond revoked.
Weed so bad, you must have just stopped smoking right now.
Judge, actually, it's the other way around. He was on bond for the PON. That arrest was out of April 24th, 2024. And then
I see.
He picked up trespass April 24th.
Okay, so we're here on, I thought we were here on the weed case. So we're here on the trespass.
Judge, because so before he approached this court on the marijuana case, he has since picked up the trespass case. But he was on bond for the marijuana case before he approached here and picked up the trespass.
So, I'm sorry, so he's charged with the criminal trespass here, not the weed.
Oh,
Both, right, but the reason he's in front of me now is for a criminal trespass, because that's the new case stuff.
no, he's never approached, he's never been here on the possession of marijuana case. That happened April 24th. And on April 29th, he picked up the criminal trespass. He never approached this court on either case.
I have here that he signed conditions of bond on 4/24, not to pick up any new cases, and now, 5 days later, he's picked up a criminal trespass. I mean, am I wrong?
Oh, you're right, yes, April 20th.
No.
April 25th, it has judge's signature, yeah. It says, the defendant shall commit no crime and shall not engage in conduct that results in his or her arrest.
It's not looking good for you, Mr. Wheeler. It's Altamirano, right?
Yes, sir.
Welcome back.
Jail is not nice. Well, the judge is happy to hear that.
How's jail?
To be honest, it's not nice.
Great.
It's not nice at all. And
That makes me very, very happy, because I hope it's one of the most miserable, rotten experiences that you ever had.
it is, sir. And I wish to never see it again.
The problem is you keep doing things to land you in there.
Yes, sir. And I will try my best to do more to not end up back in here, sir. I promise.
The road to hell is paved with good intentions, Mr. East.
No, sir. Like,
On a very,
The dark truth. Assaulting a pregnant woman and threats.
Defendant threatened to kill the complainant and the child that they shared together. The complainant felt in fear and pepper sprayed the defendant while on the phone with the 911. Defendant admitted to the threat, stating it was out of anger.
what do you think? What other prior, does he have any other prior criminal history from anywhere else, juvenile?
So Judge, his priors are all in county. He has assaulted a pregnant person that he's on probation for against his sister and an AFM, which was, it looks like it was.
So he has another assault.
He has an AFM from
22.
I think it was the same.
It was refiled. So it was an AFM that was refiled to assault a pregnant person.
That was the sister, the complaint was his sister.
Correct. The complainant in that case was his sister, and the complainant in this case is the child of, or the mother of.
A powerful lesson on fatherhood and toxic energy.
that much, but I'm getting paid just enough to take care of the child. And right now,
How are you going to take care of a child? You can't even take care of yourself, Mr. East.
I'm still learning. This is my first child, Your Honor. This is my first child, Your Honor, and
You know, the problem is that with all the anger that you have, if a child sees it, what are they going to do?
they're gonna feed off that same energy, sir.
Right.
And
They're going to be just like you. If they see you beat mama, threaten to kill mom, what are they going to do?
the same thing, but I would never touch my mother, my child's mother. I would never.
Patient for the very same thing, Mr. East.
I understand, sir.
I don't know, Carl. I don't know. You know, I'm not.
He's a lifelong resident of Harris County, Your Honor. He's not a flight risk.
I'm not. My concern is the public.
I understand. And the conditions are right now, he does have a place to stay. He lives on Tidwell. The mother of his child lives at a different location. And he orders are here for him to not have any contact with either one.
The key is in your hands. One last chance for redemption.
I think that everybody should be given a chance.
Yes, sir.
You weren't given a chance here. You're on probation, which is a serious.
Serious charge.
What I want to see, though, is you proactively addressing your anger.
Yes, sir.
The only way I will let you out is if you take it upon yourself 3 times a week to do anger management classes somehow, some way. And I want proof on a written piece of paper that you're actually doing some kind of anger management
Yes, sir.
3 times a week.
Can we make it 4 times a week? I'm sorry to interrupt you, Judge.
3 is sufficient.
You need to do something that's realistic.
Yes, sir.
Don't overkill because you're setting yourself up to fail.
Yes, sir.
All I want is you to address it. And the way that I can do that is by dangling a jailhouse key in front of you. So you hold the keys to the jail. I want you to do 3 anger management classes a week.
This was a roller coaster of emotions. From a defendant showing up smelling like weed to a father fighting for a final chance to stay with his child. The judge was firm but gave a lifeline. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think? Did he deserve this chance? Or was the judge too lenient? Let me know in the comments below.